Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm about to show you guys how to change a gas filter on an RMK 700 2009, but this can apply to any IQ Polaris. So check this out. It's still in the bag. This is an SPX, it's aftermarket, but it does the job for 30 bucks. So let's get the sled right in here. Sorry if it's dark outside, but that's the only time that I could actually show you guys how to change a gas filter on a RMK Snowmobile, the IQs. Alright, let's go for it. So alright, to get to the gas filter, I'll need to remove the left panel, this bolt, and after that I'll have to remove this top cover right here. This piece will have to come off also, so I have to take the gas gauge out of there, remove this big funky nut, have to remove this right here also. I can still leave the teeter switch on, I'll just put that to the side, and then I'll actually be adding to my gas filter, and that's another thing that I'll be showing you. But for the gas filter you need special tools that I will be showing you after removing all of this. So see you after removing all of this. Alright guys, so here is the funky tool that I'll be needing to disconnect my gas line from the filter. So as you can see, all these ones are put at the same way, but this one right here is put on the upside down way because this is the one that I need to disconnect my gas line. So I'll be showing you how to get the gas line off with these tools. Alright, so here is my gas filter. You can see it behind this line. So this is what needs to get disconnected, not this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Not this one right here, but this one right here is the one that actually needs to be disconnected. And I'll have to be disconnecting this right here also. This has to come off with this little white tool. So I'll be showing you that right now. So let me get a stand for you guys so you can see how I'll be working this out. Alright, so let's get in here. Try to remove this so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is just a vent. Put it right here in the meantime. As you can see, I'll be putting this tool in here. There's like this little nudge that you put in around this little tubing. All you have to do is press on it and boom, there it goes. And all you got to do is, and bam, it should be coming out pretty soon. Here's this one. This one is done. Okay. So what happens is I put this little tool around the little tubing right here, and in here there are teeth that are actually clipped on this tube right here that goes in my gas tank, and this is what actually sucks in the gas from the gas tank. So this tool right here presses on these little clips that hold this tube or this hose to this metal tube. So you've got to work around it sometimes, and you press on it and boom, this actually pushes back the clips so that it unhooks it. So we're going to do the same thing here. The same thing with this one here. I can see, you see, this is my little white tool right here, and I've got to push it in to get the clips to let go of the gas filter, because this right here is my gas line that goes to my throttle bodies. So I'm gonna get that done right now off camera, but you guys are gonna get the point on how to do this if you ever have to do this. So next video, well, it will be the gas line, the new gas filter installed. All right. So when you guys are putting that back in, here's the new one. All you got to do is work it in. All you got to do is work it in. Okay, so here we have it. The new gas filter is in. So right now, all you got to do is put back your stuff, like I showed you how to take them off, and let her rip. All right, see you later, guys. Sorry about this dark video, but that was how you put on a gas filter for your IQ models. All right, bye-bye.